I feel really sad. Another kid just died in a car accident because the parents did not use a child seat.
It's unfortunate that some parents still do not think child seats are important. According to the World Health Organization, child seats reduce death among infants by up to 70% in an event of a car crash. Car seats these days are affordable and easy to install. There are 3 types out there in the market: the isofix type, the non-isofix type, and the 2-in-1 system. It is advisable to place child seat in car's rear seat. We begin with the car without isofix anchor points. Infants weighing less than 10 kg must be placed rear-facing. Run seat belt through the dedicated rear-facing belt path, in this case, marked in blue. Fasten seat belt and make sure it is tightened and child seat is in place. Check recline level is right, then test for tightness. Place child seat front-facing for children weighing above 10 kg. Run seat belt through the dedicated front-facing belt path, in this case, orange. Fasten seat belt and make sure it is tightened and child seat is in place. Check recline level is right, then test for tightness. For cars with isofix feature and infants under 10 years old, place child seat rear-facing. Extend the isofix latch strap. Attach latch connectors to the car's isofix anchors. Tighten latch strap and test for tightness. Further tighten if required. For children weighing above 10 kilos, place seat front-facing. Extend latch strap. Attach latch connectors to isofix anchor points and tighten. Attach top tether strap to the back of the seat and tighten. Test for tightness. Once tightened and in place, your child is safe and ready to go. Your child could be a teacher.
Your child could be a gold medalist.
Your child could be a doctor.
Your child could be anything.
If only you would.
If only you would.
Car seats reduces. Car seats, right?
Is it not smooth? Yes, 82.
Okay. My dog died.